Hey guys, William Murphy here and welcome back to the video and welcome back to the channel. If you are new around here, please consider subscribing because I have loads of content coming up that hopefully you won't want to miss. The estate project has been parked temporarily, partly because I've priced up the panels and I just cannot afford it. I did do a video, a full walk around, but unfortunately I've deleted it. On the subject of the estate, massive thanks to Stu's Classic Lockup. I managed to get some panels from him from the car, so I've got door steps both sides and a rear quarter panel, which are over there. And on the subject of those panels, massive shout out to Minimac TV because he managed to collect them for me and deliver them to me at Castle Combe. So thank you very much, Matt. The Mini is temporarily parked up because of the bad weather we've been having, and the next project is currently here. So videos on this will be coming very soon. What else? I've been quite busy. We went on holiday, so that's obviously a bit of time away from filming and editing and whatnot. I've got loads and loads of videos to still get edited and get up online. So hopefully I'm going to sort of drip feed them out. Well, I'm going to try and get them edited, but it just takes a long time. And unfortunately with the editing software I have, if I want to save it and come back to it, it doesn't work. The file becomes corrupted. So top work over the editing software is. So yeah, there's been a couple of collaborations in the one's already in live and one's in the pipeline to come out as well, with Cole at Classic Mini DIY. So thank you so much, Cole, for that. And yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys a quick update where I am. But how did I nearly forget? The most important one that I feel that has to be a massive thank you to you guys is I am nearing 1,000 subscribers. Wow, that is insane. 1,000 subscribers. So just deep down from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much to everyone for the sort of likes, comments, feedback, the support you guys have given. It's been really beneficial and I really appreciate it, so thank you so much. I'm in a bit of a rush because I'm on the way to work, so I've got plenty of time to get there, but I just want to make sure I'm there on time. So I'm going to leave it here and just saying thank you everyone. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned because lots will be coming to the channel in the coming months. So I'll leave it there and I'll see you guys soon. Take it easy.